Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your iPhone 13 and card. Make sure iOS is current and Face ID is on. Open Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a card. You scan or type card details. Once done, your bank will ask to verify, expect an SMS code or the bank app to approve. Make sure billing address matches the card, because mismatches cause verification delays. When verification completes, your card appears in Wallet and is ready for the next setup stage. Next, customize how you use Apple Pay on a daily basis. Go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay to choose your default card. This saves time at checkout. Enable double-click of the side button so Apple Pay appears instantly, very handy for quick purchases. Also set transaction defaults like shipping address and contact info, add transit or rewards cards if available, and reorder cards in Wallet so your most used card is first. These choices shape speed and security. To pay in stores, double-click the side button, glance for Face ID authentication, and hold the top of your iPhone 13 near the reader until you see Done. For in-app or web purchases, pick Apple Pay at checkout and confirm with Face ID. Make sure shipping and billing match. If a payment fails, first check your internet and card status in Wallet, then try removing and re-adding the card. If problems persist, contact your bank. Often a quick verification fixes declines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.